music. So some of the songs that are based on Karahara Priya in our Malayalam music was Uttara Swayamvaram Kathakali Kanuvan Uttradaratril Poyirunnu Kanchana Kasavulla Poomeniyuduttaval. Whatever, I don't know the lyrics. Kanchana Kasavulla Poonchelayuduttaval Nenjeyum Ambumai Vanirunnu. Such a beautiful song. Another song that came to my mind, Manohari Mano